add the text now, and let's say it's glow. It's glow, and then I'm just gonna set this to white. Now, what it looks like that now. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video we're going to be showing you how you can add a photo behind the text on Canva. Now, to be able to do this on Canva is pretty simple. So what you need to do is we have to start off by adding a shape. For example, let's say I want to add a square or rectangle, for instance. Make sure that it's actually a shape, because if it's not a shape, then you cannot really move it freely like for example, graphics over here. You can usually find graphics of shapes, but they're usually stuck to that ratio. So the weight and height, the width, in the height will remain the same all throughout. Now you need to choose specifically what kind of color you are going for. For example, there's green right now. I would like to change it to something a bit darker, like something like that, the dark blue. And then what you need to do now is to add a text with the same color as the background, like not this background, or but the background behind the shape. So for example, I'm gonna add the text now, and let's say it's glow. So it's glow, and then I'm just gonna set this to white. Now what it looks like is that now it looks like there's a hole in the middle, right? In the middle of the shape, there's now a hole that is now connecting the background to this one in the middle. So what we need to do now is just to save this into a transparent one. Now you can download something transparently by doing this, but you'll be needing Canva Pro for that one. But if you don't have Canva Pro, then you can always go for a longer process. But which you can check out by checking one of the videos that we have on our channel on how you can turn something transparent without using Canva Pro on Canva. Now, let me paraphrase what I just did. So what we need to do is we don't download it as a transparent background, so we just download this. So make sure that you chose just one page so that you don't have to go through the annoying thing that I just went through, which is downloading the entire thing, and then it has to save as a zip file. So let's delete this now, and then we're just gonna upload what we have, which is this one. So it still has the white background behind it. All right, what we need to do is to click on background remover. Now it will remove the white in the background as well as the white in the middle. So you'll see what I mean. If I change this now, different color, as you can see, there is now literally a hole in the middle. I'm gonna add this photo on me. That's me, bruh. That's me with my red hair. I'm traveling, and then I'm just gonna go to back. And as you can see, you now have a photo behind your text. Now you can of course set this to whatever photo that you like. It's like this is the worst photo that you can ever set on. It's like, why would you use this face? Then let's say you're satisfied with that. Of course that is not satisfactory, but let's say that is what you wanted. And of course you can just head over and download this photo again. And how you can add it to your design is that you just head over so since that's done, right? So we just delete all of this, turn this box to white, and then you upload the photo that you just saved, which is this one. Put that there, and then what we just need to do is to crop this photo to your what you want. Like for example, just the one in the middle, right? Something like that. Like that. So that now what's left is the one in the middle, and as you can see, it's like there was no green background there in the first place. And that's it. That's how you can fill a photo behind the text on Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.